COVID-19, which countries are still struggling? Before continue watching this video, please subscribe, like, share and comment. On June 11, 2020, the world has recorded 7.5 million cases of COVID-19 positive with 423,000 deaths. We are observing a new countries joining the top 10 countries in COVID-19 positive case. They are Brazil, Russia, India and Peru. Total confirmed COVID-19 case. The first group of countries that suffers COVID-19 was China. The case increased sometime in the third week of January 2020. The second group was Italy, Iran, sometime in the first week of March. Then the third group was Brazil, Russia and India. US came in the second group. Okay, this is a daily confirmed case where the world still recorded a rising in the daily new confirmed case. Okay. The same goes to countries like Brazil, where the confirmed daily case is also increasing. US and Russia, on the other hand, are declining in their daily new confirmed case. New Zealand lifted all COVID restriction and declaring the nation virus-free. What is the indicator for a country that already virus-free? Let us consider the active case in New Zealand. This is a peak active case, which is at about 929. 10% of 929 is 93, and this is the line for 93 case. Situation in New Zealand, the current active case is below 10% of the peak active case. The current situation here is far below the 10% or below 93 line. So this can be used as an indicator to measure whether a country is in a safe condition as in New Zealand or not, where New Zealand is already declared that their country is virus free. Another case of successful countries is like Australia, where the peak was at 4,935. So the 10% would be 493. Okay, and now they are below 493. Okay, 430, which is below the 493 10%. So Australia is already in a safe condition. Same thing happened to Germany. Okay, the peak is at 72,000. So 10% would be something like 7,000. 7,200, and they are now already at 6,900 active case. So the German is also in a safe condition right now, which is below 10% of their highest rate. Okay, let us now look at the countries that still struggling. The first one will be Brazil. If you look at the active case, is still in the increasing trend. So if you look at the newly infected versus newly recovered case in Brazil, we can see that the yellow line, which is a new case, is always on the high side compared to the recovery. That is the reason why Brazil is still in the increasing trend. Okay, so what Brazil, in terms of active case, Brazil is still in the increasing trend. Okay, and when compared to New Zealand case, Brazil has not reached its peaks in their active case. So if we look at the here, this is the New Zealand case in terms of the active case, the graph for the active case. So the situation in Brazil is still at the early stage prior to reaching the peak. So we still do not know when Brazil will reach the peak. So one more to the declining stage. Okay, the peak itself has not been reached yet. So it means that Brazil is still far from safe in this pandemic. This is because the new daily case, okay, is still higher than the new recovered case as shown in the graph on the right side here. The yellow is always on the high side compared to the green. Green is a new recovered. So Brazil has to do something about this thing. Try their best to make sure that the recovery rate is higher than the new case. Okay. The same thing to India. Okay. In terms of active case, India is like Brazil, still in the increasing trend. When compared to New Zealand case, India also has not reached its peak in the active case. It means that India is still far from safe in this pandemic, COVID-19. This is because the new daily case is still higher than the new recovered case as shown on the graph on the right side here. The yellow new case is is higher than the new recovered case, green line. Okay, so India has to do something about this before they can manage to reduce the number of active case. Let us have a look at Mexico. The same thing happened to Mexico. Is still in the increasing trend and still has not reached its peaks in the active case. Okay, it's still in the increasing trend, even though it's going up and down, but still, if you look at in total, it's still in the increasing trend. It means that Mexico is still far from safe in this COVID-19 pandemic. The new daily case is still higher than the new recovered case. See, the yellow line is always on the high side compared to the green recovered case. So for the active case to goes down, the recovered case must be higher than the new case. Okay, so Mexico has to do something about it also. Okay, now Russia. Okay, Russia has reached its plateau. Okay, it's flattening, but yet to wait for its declining stage. It's still on the plateau, but has not shown any indications of going down. Even though here is a small a bit of showing like wanting to decline, but it's still not clear yet. Even though the new case is declining, but it seems like okay, the recovered case is also going down. Okay, it means that Russia is still far from safe. The new daily case is declining. Okay, here. Okay, right picture. It seems that the new recovered case is also declining as a new daily case. That's the reason why the active case is not declining yet. To reach the declining state in active case, the new recovered case has to be higher than the new daily case. This is what Russia is looking for. Peru is just like Russia. They have reached its plateau, but yet to wait for its declining stage. It means that Peru is still far from safe in this pandemic. Similarly, the new daily case is declining, just like shown in the right picture. Okay? It seems that the new recovered case is also declining as a new daily case. To reach the declining state in active case, the new recovered case has to be higher than the new daily case. This is what Peru is looking for. Now again here in United States, US has reached its plateau, same as the previous two countries, but yet to wait for its declining stage. It means that US is also still far from safe in this pandemic. The new daily case is declining, just like shown in the right picture. It seems that the new recovered case is also declining as new daily case. To reach the declining stage in active case, the new recovered case has to be higher than the new daily case. So US has to give more effort toward increasing the recovered case. Okay, for the active case to goes down. This is what US is looking for. Okay, Canada. Canada is at its beginning to the declining stage. It has shown some decline here. Okay, few days ago. This is because it means that Canada on its way to make their country safe from COVID-19. The new daily case is declining. The yellow line, right picture. Okay, the new daily case is declining. Okay, the yellow line. But the new recovered case is flattening. Okay, flattening. Hence, it is higher than the new daily case for the last few days. Okay, as a result, the active case is beginning to decline, as shown here. Okay, the blue line is start to decline whenever the new recovered is above the new case. Okay, it's a good news for Canada. Okay, so hopefully that it will continue to decline further in terms of the active case. Okay, France. This is interesting. Case in France is very interesting. France is having a tough time to pull its active case down. Even though the new daily case is declining, but the new recovered case is also declining, as shown on the pictures on the right. Okay, the yellow line is declining, but at the same time the green is also tracking. Okay, even though the daily case, new daily case is declining, but the new recovered case is also declining, following the track of the new daily case. Okay, it follows the track. Follows the track of the yellow line. Okay, France should focus more on increasing the number of daily recovery. More resources and effort should be concentrated on improving the recovery numbers, i.e., pulling the green line up. Right picture. Okay, pulling the green line up instead of going down. It should pull upward. As such, the active case can be pulled down slowly. Yeah. Okay, otherwise it will continue to prolong like that. Okay, flatten. Okay, Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia at one time was able to increase the daily recovered case. Okay, here increase the daily recovered case, the green line there. Okay, and reduce the number of daily new case. Okay, it goes down here. The yellow line was declining at one stage lah. Okay. However, in the last 2 weeks, the number of daily new case increased, and the number of daily recovered case dropped. The green line goes down, the yellow line goes up. Okay, this is reverse. As such, the number of active case, which is on its declining stage, turn reverse and rising again and reaching higher than the previous peak. Okay, here it goes down and goes up again, and now it's higher than the previous peak. Okay, yeah, this is very dangerous. This is alarming, and Saudi Arabia has to do something to rectify the situation. Okay, very interesting case in Iran. A similar case happened to Iran, the neighboring country to Saudi Arabia. The active case, which is on its declining stage, somehow turned reverse and back to rising stage again. Okay, it's already going down and goes up again. Okay, even though the numbers of recovered case, a green line, right picture, the green line goes up, it's increasing, but the higher rise in number of new case, yellow line here, make the active case continue to increase. Okay, the yellow line, the new case is higher than the green line, the recovered case, even though the green line, the recovered case, is increasing. Okay, so it makes the active case continue to increase. This is alarming, and then Iran has to do something to rectify the situation. Okay, Turkey. Okay, Turkey and also Malaysia is about the same. It's already declining and on the way to reach 10% of the highest peak. the situation in Turkey and Malaysia is almost similar. Both countries are on the way to reach 10% of the highest of peak active case. Upon reaching active case below 10% of the highest active case, they will follow what New Zealand did, i.e. declaring their countries as virus-free. Both countries are making every effort to further reduce the active case in their country. Good luck to Turkey and Malaysia. Okay, top 10 countries. If you look at this list, the first will be US, okay, with 2.08 million positive case, followed by Brazil 800,000, Russia 500,000, India 298, UK 290, Spain 289, Italy 236, Peru 214, Germany 186, and Iran 180. These are the highest top 10 of the highest COVID-19 case, positive case. Okay, if we look at the shape of the active case graph for the top 10 countries, okay, so US number 1 is flattening, it has reached the top, the highest, but it has not started to decline yet. Okay, this is a situation in US. It has not begun the declining stage yet. Brazil is still in the increasing trend. You do not know when to reach the peak. Russia is already reaching its plateau and yet to wait for the declining time. India is in the rising, just like Brazil. Okay, UK and also Spain here, they don't have the active case graph. What they have is only the total coronavirus, total case lah. So it's still increasing in UK and also in Spain. Okay, Italy, number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Italy number 7 in the list, on the way to reaching 10% of the peak, of the highest active case. So good luck to Italy. Peru, okay, Peru is at the plateau. It has not started the declining stage yet. Okay, whereas Germany is already in a safe condition, where the situation right now, the active case in Germany is below 10% of the highest active case. Okay, so it's already in a safe condition, similar to New Zealand. Okay, whereas number 10 Iran is in a situation where it's already going up, reaching its peak, going down, and now going up again. So Iran has to do something, otherwise we do not know what will happen to them. And now hoping that the last few days that shows the indications of it start to decline. It shows like wanting to decline. So hopefully it will decline after this. So if we look at the top 10 of the highest case in COVID-19, most of the countries are still struggling in terms of the COVID-19 case. It's only 2 countries, Italy and also Germany is already in a safe condition, because it's already below 10% of the highest active case, and Italy is on its way. It's almost reaching 10% of the highest active case. So the rest is still struggling, especially India and also Brazil, where they have not reached the peak yet. So that's the situation in the top 10 countries in COVID-19 case. So if we have a chance, we will look at the other countries. What's happened to the other countries. Okay, that's all for today, and thank you very much.